Hi, we are Elisa and Stephan from Germany. We are traveling in our old Volkswagen postbus right now. We are on an open-end trip. We came from Central Asia and now we are in Georgia and Tbilisi. This is an old postbus. We bought it empty and converted it in our own. And yeah, come, I show you what we did. One of the things we changed was an extra fuel canister we put outside so that we never will run out of fuel during traveling long distances. We have two solar panels on top. They are 120 watts each, so that we will never run out of electricity inside the van. We have some batteries, extra batteries in the front. Then we painted because it was in a really bad condition outside. So we had to make a new color to make it much more prettier for us. Other things in the outside are these sink underneath. This one we installed later. It's for security reasons, so that we can just close the door nice and properly. And these, we bought it with this rain cover for the windows, so that we can open the windows a little bit and it won't rain inside. And the main parts we changed in the inside because it was nearly empty. There was nothing, no camping stuff or anything else. But I can show you how it looks like now. As I'm working as an architect, for me it's really important to have natural materials in the camper van. So we decided to insulate our van with spray cork and hemp. So this is how it looks inside. The most parts are used parts, so we bought used stuff to rebuild this van. This is our kitchen. It's an old kitchen, I guess from the 60s or something like this. Where we have all our cooking stuff inside, spoons, forks, something like this. Underneath there are the herbs and the spices inside. Everything we need for cooking, swan salt, really important. Yeah, we have some dry food stuff and the gas bottle and both freshwater tanks. One of my favorite parts is the sink because it's really beautiful. We have a fridge hidden where we have all our fresh stuff inside. This is where we cook. It's movable. If the weather is bad, we cook inside. If the weather is nice, we can cook outside. This is the diesel heater so that we have a cozy temperature inside when it's getting cold outside. We installed the diesel heater under our car where the old original one was. There is a fan above. It's for fresh air if it's getting too hot outside or if we're cooking inside. Underneath we have a storage. Right now we store our shoes there. And above there is the bed. We can pull it out, fold the mattress, and then we have a full bed inside our tiny camper where we can sleep. Behind there are hiding our clothes for summer and winter, and some other stuff is inside. This is the storage for our camping stuff, like tent and spare parts or something else is hiding above there. So to make it comfortable, we have some plants there. In the front, we didn't change much stuff. We put the battery computer in here so that we can see how empty or full the batteries are. All the electricity stuff is hiding under the seat. We can fill our batteries via solar, when we are driving or when we have electricity from outside. So three possibilities to fuel the batteries. This is our air condition if it's getting too hot inside, and we use it kind of fresh air. This is our internet router, so we buy SIM cards abroad in the countries and we can use it for getting internet for working. The mirrors are the kind of original ones. We didn't change it. And the other thing in the front, it's all original. Original old, so charming, I guess.